The Supreme Court has lifted the ban on media from reporting on the Bihar shelter home abuse cases. Earlier, the Patna High Court had banned reporting on the case in which inmates were raped allegedly by authorities in charge of the shelter home in Muzaffarpur. The Supreme Court, though, restrained the media from broadcasting images of sexual harassment victims. The Supreme Court requested the media not to interview the survivors of sexual harassment in the interests of the survivors. Arunachal Vaidyanathan has more from the Supreme Court.
Ban has been lifted, but there is a word of caution and advice to the media by the Supreme Court, a bench headed by Justice Madan B. Lokur, who clearly said there has to be a line has to be drawn, but who has to draw the line? So, in fact, issued notices to the Editors Guild, Press Council of India and the National Broadcasting Standards Authority also to help them, because in the absence of any authority to make the guidelines workable, I think nothing is working. He went on to say when the case is going on in court, media comes to a conclusion and even delivers the judgment. So this case came to Supreme Court. Journalist Nivedita Jha, who came to the Supreme Court against the Patna High Court's ban on reporting media shelter homes. Her lawyer argued, saying that there should not be any blanket ban, but at the same time there should be some sort of guidelines. So immediately agreeing with that, notice have been issued, and Justice Madan B. Lokur also saying that media should not sensationalize all these sexual harassment cases, and he again reiterated saying that no images should be either telecast or print in the print media of the sexual harassment victims. Normally television used to show morphed images, even that has been banned by the Supreme Court. He said, don't sensationalize, please keep the interests of the victims in mind. And he hoped that the whole issue of these sexual harassment cases will be reported. They can disseminate the news, but keep in mind the interests of the victims. That's the message from the Supreme Court.